Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Plan With Me. This is Misty with Happy Planning with Misty. And look at this beautiful, wonderful stuff I've got here. I can't wait to jump into it. And this is my new planner that I want to use for social media. And I mean, can you just look at the cuteness, would you? Oh my gosh, I love it. And then I get a monthly subscription from Josephine Bow Designs in the United Kingdom, and she is exceptional in her foiling and in her kits. And so I want to start it off using this kit, Tutti Frutti. It's a Hobonichi Weeks kit. And we are going to lay down, get back over here, I've already flipped too far. Lay down this very first week and talk to you guys as I lay it down, because this is somewhat new. So the first thing is that you don't have to have the Penny Pages kit for this to work. Destiny has closed her shop, but usually any kind of weeks kit will still work in here. Destiny designed these in a perfect way, and so I'm going to use this kit. And we've always got the white out, so if we need to white out stuff, we can. This is a strip that we're going to lay down just across through here. See how that lines up? So I am really wanting to focus on my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel in 2022, y'all. So that is 4 years ago that I put my first video up. And I don't want you guys at all to take this the wrong way. Please don't take it the wrong way. But it is concerning me that I'm not worried about the amount of subscribers. I'm worried about the views. In 4 years of planning and putting stuff on YouTube, I have like 35 to 40 views for each video that I do. I have, Allison, I'm going to pick on you for a minute. You've done nothing wrong, but you are who I watch the most right now. Allison is a newer YouTuber, but let me tell you, she's got it all together, and she has got a great intro to her YouTube. She's got great videos. You want to find out how to plan in Erin Condren books, you need to watch Allison, and I'll have her linked below. She is great, but what has got my attention and what made me say something just ain't right here is that her growth was and is phenomenal. In the amount of views that her videos get, over 200 views, and I'm like, what have I done? What have I not done? Because I started this back in COVID era when everybody was locked in at home, and still my views are so limited. And I just have, besides being tongue-tied, I'm just like, something is not right. So y'all, I went back to the drawing board, and I have just started over, not my YouTube channel, but started over as far as how to set up a YouTube, how to set up videos. I'm like, I am missing something. Something ain't right. So these last 3 to 5 videos, I should say, I have changed some wording. I've changed some algorithm. I've changed some stuff. All I know to change, y'all, to see if I can get YouTube to recognize me. It's not you as a planner. It's not you as a subscriber. It is the algorithm. I'm not, I guess, doing something that YouTube likes or that catches the eye of YouTube. And so if some of my videos seem sort of quirky or crazy, that's going to be part of it, because I am trying to figure out what it is that YouTube is wanting and what YouTube prefers, so I can get my name out there, get my channel out there more. Okay, so I have wrote down starting May 1st. This is my numbers for the last 30 days. So May 1st is, I'm writing these numbers down, but this is all of April. Now this is from the very beginning. I've got only 416 subscribers, and I've been going 4 years. I would have thought by now, 1,000 easy, because some are just going months and they're already in the 700s and 800s. And so it is not that I'm all about the numbers, but the numbers also tell me something isn't G-hauling just right. And I'm not sure yet what it is, but I just know I've changed some stuff. So we'll see if YouTube catches on and we go anywhere. If we don't, I love doing this, so we'll just go with it. But Instagram, it's doing pretty good. I really don't have no complaint on Instagram at all. So I am putting a tracker here for Instagram. I am putting a tracker for YouTube. Let's see, here's the YouTube. No, I need to flip this around. Okay, then I am gonna have numbers up here in the top, I think, that tell me about my Instagram. And this is some of the things that how many I'm reaching. I have gotten 2 new followers, which is Alana B and Tara Lindbergh. If y'all are watching this video, thank you so much. Everybody that has become a follower of mine, well, not of me, but of my channel, y'all, that makes me smile. When I click on that and that number has increased, I'm like, okay, you Southern girls doing something right. But I just hate that I haven't noticed sooner than 4 years. I guess that tells you how busy we've been with homeschooling and everything else, that I should have been growing more. And at first I was like, okay, well, maybe it's just me. And I know that since people they're not stuck at home no more and they are able to get out and work and go places, the COVID ban has lifted somewhat. I know that YouTube ain't just the everybody's thing right now. Everybody don't have time for it, but I would like to see a little better change than that right there. So anyway, I am going to write down my Facebook. I've got over 1,000 subscribers so far. But that is my family, my friends. I've tried to have, or I do have, my own Bless Your Heart Stickers Facebook page. But I have rarely uploaded to that. It's very small still. because I was trying to grow my Instagram at the time, and I was trying to grow YouTube. Well, Instagram's done pretty good. I'm at 800 subscribers, I think 700 or 800 subscribers, I can't remember, somewhere in there, and I'm filming with my phone, so I can't look for sure. And then, so my main page for my family, my friends, and everybody is sort of what took off better. I haven't really spent the time on the Bless Your Heart Stickers Facebook page like I needed to. YouTube is what I love. YouTube is what I want to see blossom, because that's where my heart's at, is with YouTube. So this here is going to be, and there's my dryer already going off, of course. Let's see, I wanted a darker pen. Let me go with this one. So this is going to be my numbers as of today, which is, well, as of when I started this page, which is 4/16. Okay. And then Instagram. And I've got this little, let's say, let's go with a colored. Instagram. And I'll put my numbers for that because I didn't write that down. Facebook. And since I can't even get YouTube to grow like it needs to, I ain't even got on TikTok. Maddie's on TikTok, but I'm like, no, I can't even get used to the YouTube and the Instagram enough to get on any kind of TikTok anything. I want to make sure that I want to check off each day that I post on YouTube, each day that I post on Instagram. I'll put that on there. Okay. Then over here, I'm going to write down what it is I posted on YouTube. I don't think her stickers are removable. Nope. Once they're there, they're there. So it's just going to have to be a little wonky. I also need to know, let's see. This is the first full week of May that I'm doing here. So let's go with this darker. So this is going to be Monday the 4th. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9. And today's Saturday, so that's going to start this coming Monday. So we're going to chart all that. Okay, now this here, I want to put these numbers on this first page, and I want to see how I grow from there. So that'll fit right there. Okay, I just heard Marshall pull up. Dogs are barking, so if I disappear for a minute, he had been working up at my mom's, so he might need something, so I might have to go away and come back. Okay, so let's put this here. And then we'll put, so I need post, I want to put my total reach. New followers, number of views, let's see, then we can put this decorative box right here like that. Okay, and then that still I've got Buku's stickers still on here, y'all. So, I've still got this whole page. So we might can use this kit again, which will be wonderful. I don't want to overdo it. So I want to put, number of videos. Number reached, new followers, number of views. All right, so we're going to start out with that right now. Now, I might have to tweak it some. Some of this might be, it can't tell me to the end. I don't know that this is a weekly. It might not be that this changes until the end of a month. So I might have to change up what I'm tracking here. But this is how we're going to start. So I'll end up writing what all we do for Monday through Sunday. And I want to just see how my channel grows. So these Plan With Me's are not going to be very long, which y'all are probably saying hallelujah to. But I do want to see, I think I'm going to use this little weekend banner too. I do want to see if the changes that I have made on my YouTube channel will reflect here on these pages. And so if it does, and if things are moving forward, we might just go into a whole different way of planning in this book. But anyway, I'm not real sure if I'm gonna like really decorate, how decorative I'll do with this month. We'll just see. And I might not actually set up the month. This might be a back plan. This might be where I don't know if I'm gonna forward plan a month or go back and just everything that I collect within the month comes back and goes here with tallies at the bottom. I'm gonna think on that again. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, this is what I'm trying to do, what I'm looking to do, and we'll see how it goes from there. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all even have any tips on what it might be that I've got all cracked up on YouTube, especially if my numbers don't go anywhere. I've got to do some chit-chatting with somebody. But anyway, I hope y'all have a good week, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.